I'm so excited. Look what just came in the post. So, I've only seen the cutter on videos. Let's see what it looks like. Oh. Right. Got a booklet. You can read if you want. Some instructions. So this part you can do this way or that way. I assume this way is cutting and that way is grating. It's got 2 settings on each side. Got the lid thingy and the pusher thingy, all my technical terms. And then the bowl that fits right into your Thermomix bowl. I think though, this little thing fits over the blades first. Yep. Let me show you in here. So this little thingy fits over your blades. Then you pop this over. And then depending if you're going to grate or slice, this one looks like slicing. You're just going to pop that on top. I've never done this before, so figuring it out as I go. Now I've got to get some veggies to slice.